Our doggy is in the office working, and they are having a break time right now, and they are sleeping on the floor with the our tarpaulin. Using the tarpaulin, guys. So uh, we uh, we take uh, off the tarpaulin, and then let them lay down in there. So the looks very comfortable with the matching air conditioning. Such mga ambisyosa. Mga ambisyosang aso. Here is in the house, is in the working area. So we let them go out sometimes, so that they will feel better, because most of the time they are just staying at the apartment, and that's why we decided to bring them here, so they can enjoy and then experience and roam around the different environments. So this one, and here their foods, their waters, and the dog food, and we cooked. We used to let them eat the chicken bilog. I don't know if what is the chicken, round chicken. Here, guys, the water, and then we have also the food for them. So and they enjoyed it and they liked it, so that's why we used to feed them that way. So we let them eat 2 times a day, in the morning and the dinner time. So yeah, so we will make sure that they are they are safe, and most of the time we give them a bath like three times a month, 2 times a month, something like that. It depends if they are, you know, if they don't smell very bad. Yeah, and we would not let them give them a bath during rainy days, because it's very cold, and I guess it's not good for them. So here, I'm very happy to see them looking very comfortable sleeping in there. I love dogs, and yes, so we will make sure I and Rizal always take good care of them, and also Stephanie Lois. Yeah. Stephanie Lois is in the house. Hi, say hi, Stephanie. Say hi. Rizal is here working. Okay, I will upload this one in a few minutes. Hi, Yumie and Snowie. Hello, hello, and sleep very well. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and I will upload more on our dogs anytime soon. Thank you so much, and this is Adele once again from my YouTube channel, Adele the Versatile, and hopefully I will be coming back soon for live streaming if I feel better, because my our mom just passed away 3 weeks ago, so I'm just adjusting, and you know, hopefully it will everything will goes well and I feel better. Thank you so much, guys. I miss you so much, and for this time just, you know, I just this is the only thing that I could upload. Okay, bye bye. God bless us all. I love you all. I miss you so much, and looking forward to see you soon with my sister Pinay Pine and America Vlog, Evelyn Elliott, with some of the supporters. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye bye.